Morning, children. How are you all? I think you all are fit and fine, and you enjoyed a lot and celebrated your Diwali festival. So, today I'm going to start our new chapter, Local Government of Urban Areas. I'm going to start Local Government of Urban Areas. Already you know that the government works at the different levels. Our government works at different level. The national level, the state level and the local level. Our country or our India. Our country India. So in our country or our India, the government works at the three levels. The national level, the state level and the local level. The central level or the national level rules the country at the national level, and the state government rules at the state level, and the Panchayati Raj works at the local level. The Panchayati Raj works at the local level, and the Panchayati Raj also works two different levels. The Panchayati Raj system works or the local government works two different levels, urban area and the rural area. So the Panchayati Raj or the local government work at the rural level and the urban areas. Rural areas or the urban areas. Rural areas means at the village level, and urban areas at the cities and town. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about the local government of urban areas. Our cities are huge and rather crowded than the villages. Our cities are very huge. Huge means very big and rather crowded. Crowded means most of the people or the population is more. Okay, so and the market also full of people, and in the cities and towns, good roads and bad roads, overflowing drains, traffic jams, people waiting in line for water. All these things we can see in cities and towns, and sometimes well kept parks, street lights and public buses and suburban trains carrying thousands of people across the cities. Okay, but do you think then who is maintaining all these things? Who's maintaining all these things? Who clears the garbage from our house, and from where the water does come in your tap at home, and who replaced sometimes the street light had stopped working, so who replaced? Plugging the street into darkness. Plugging the street into darkness. If there is no light, so street is full of dark. So who is doing all these work? So cities and towns or the urban areas have the problems and needs that are different from those of the rural areas. So the problems which are in the rural area or in the village area, it is totally different from the problems which are in the urban areas. To take care all these needs, urban areas in India have three categories of local governing bodies. For taking care all these things, the urban areas in India have categories of local governing bodies: municipal corporations, municipal councils and Nagar Panchayat. So the local government at the urban areas work at the three levels: municipal corporation, municipal council and Nagar Panchayat. Clear? Though it varies from state to state, the number of municipal corporation, number of councils and the number of Nagar Panchayat can be varies from state to state, because all these local bodies are categorized or formed on the basis of the population. So municipal corporation govern the cities with the population of more than 10 lakhs. So the cities which is having the population of more than 10 lakhs governed by municipal corporation, and municipal councils take care of the cities with less than 10 lakhs but more than 20,000 people. Municipal council take care of the cities with less than 10 lakhs but more than 20,000 people, and Nagar Panchayat take care of the urban places with less than 20,000 people. So all these local governing bodies works or formed on the basis of the population. So municipal corporation works with the population of more than 10 lakhs, and municipal council take care of the cities with the less than 10 lakhs but more than 20,000 people, and the Nagar Panchayat take care of the urban areas or urban places with less than 20,000 people. So the first one is municipal corporation. Generally cities with the population of 10 lakhs or more than governed by municipal corporation. So cities which is having the population of 10 lakhs or more than are governed by municipal corporation, and the cities are divided into a number of municipal wards. So these cities are divided into number of municipal wards, and the members of municipal corporation are elected by the people of each ward. Okay, so each ward member is elected by the people of each ward. The member of parliaments and the member of the state legislature elected from area are also member of the municipal corporation. Sometimes from the particular ward, the member of parliament or the members of state legislature elected from the area are also the member of municipal corporation. And some special seats are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. 1/3 of seats, whatever number of the municipal corporation, some seats are reserved for scheduled tribe and the scheduled caste. Not only for them, 1/3 of seats are reserved for women also. 1/3 seats are reserved for women also. And these elected representatives of municipal corporation are known as council. Who is council? Who is councillor? Who is councillor? The elected representatives of the municipal corporation are known as councillor. And the mayor and the deputy mayor are the prominent member of the corporation. Prominent means important. So the mayor and the deputy mayor are prominent member of the corporation, and the mayor is the presiding officer of the corporation. Okay, and mayor is the presiding officer of the corporation, and the chief executive officer of the municipal corporation is municipal commissioner. Who is the municipal commissioner? The chief executive officer of municipal corporation is municipal commissioner, and municipal commissioner implements all the decision taken by the councillors. Councillors, they discuss and they take decision. All these decisions are executed by the municipal commissioner, and the commissioner is appointed by the state government. The municipal commissioner is appointed by the state government, and a municipal corporation is elected for a period of 5 years. Okay, the municipal corporation is elected for a period of 5 years, means the member of municipal corporation are elected for a period of 5 years. Generally, the general elections are held in India every 5 years. So these members are also elected for 5 years. Now, what are the functions? What are the functions of the municipal corporation? The municipal corporation performs a variety of important functions. They include compulsory function or obligatory function. Compulsory function or obligatory function. Supply of drinking water. Supply of drinking water. Construction and maintenance of public street and roads, and cleaning of streets, sewers and the public places. So supply of drinking water means the water which is coming in tap in our home, it is supplied by the municipal corporation. And clearing and construction and maintenance of the public street and roads. Now, everywhere there are roads, so these roads are constructed and maintained by the members of the municipal corporation. And cleaning of streets, because the people are throwing the garbage, so the members of these, they clear the street, sewers and the public places also. And they maintain the public health and the sanitation, provision of vaccination and taking measures to control epidemics. These members, they maintain the public health and the sanitation. They maintain all these things. Provision of vaccination. Vaccination means टीका, हिंदी में हम टीका बोलते हैं. For the small kids, small children, they provide the vaccination and taking measures to control the epidemics. And the maintenance of the public hospitals. Public hospitals or the government hospitals are maintained by the municipal corporation. And establishment and the maintenance of the primary schools. They also maintains primary schools. Registration of birth and death. It means when the child take birth, so it is the people's responsibility, then they can register the child's name in the municipal corporation. Not only for birth, if someone died also, so it is the people's responsibility, then they can register the death of their family members also. And next one, the naming street and the numbering houses. Each street having the particular name and having the number in the houses. So these works are also done by municipal corporation. And ensuring public safety by removing obstruction and projection in public street, and the maintaining fire engines to save life and the property. Okay, sometimes the people, they construct their buildings in their government areas, so they remove obstruction, जिसको हम अतिक्रमण बोलते हैं हिंदी में, and the projection in public streets, and maintaining fire engines, sometimes fire caught in that area. So So the fire engines are provided by municipal corporation. Now next one is the optional functions or discretionary function. Construction and maintenance of public parks, gardens, libraries, museums, rest houses, homes for the people with leprosy, orphanages, and the rescue home for women. All these are the optional function. It is not compulsory. Then the municipal corporation can maintain all these things. It is the optional function. Then they can construct the public parks, gardens, libraries, museums, rest house, homes for public with the leprosy. Leprosy is a skin disease. Orphanages means the home for children whose parents died. And the rescue homes for women. Sometimes the women are homeless. Then they can live in that home. Next one is planting and maintenance of roadside plant and trees. Might be you observe that both sides of the roads they planting the plants and maintain also. They provide housing for the low income groups sometimes, or it is not possible for all the people, then they can construct the house. So it is the function of or optional function for the government. Then they can provide housing for the low income groups, and they providing a cheap and efficient transport system like buses and autos and all. And they conducting survey, organizing public receptions and the exhibitions, and promoting welfare schemes for the municipal employees. Okay, and they time to time they survey of all these work, and they organizing public reception and exhibition whenever any things or any improvement, then they organize the exhibition for the farmers or for the doctors or for the nurses, and they promoting welfare scheme for the municipal employees. For all these work, from where they get the fund or the money? So what are the sources of income? So the municipal corporation finance its activity through the various taxes. Through the various taxes they collect all these money. They include property tax, different types of taxes like a property tax, vehicle tax, water tax, or the terminal tax. Terminal tax is the tax on goods coming into the cities. Service tax, the service tax means collected from the shopkeepers and the service professionals. Toll tax, what is toll tax? A tax for using the certain bridges and the roads. Might be you have seen the toll tax, टोल नाका जिसे हम बोलते हैं, जहाँ पर भी हम 4 व्हीलर से जाते हैं या कहीं से जाते हैं तो हम उसका टैक्स देते हैं. And the entertainment tax means these tax collected from the movie halls and the cable TV operator. And education tax and the sometimes grants received from the state government. So these are the different sources of income. So municipal corporation collect the finance from the different activities through the various taxes, like the property tax means if we are having our own houses, we are paying the tax. Vehicle tax, water tax, octroi or the terminal tax. Terminal tax means tax on the goods coming into the cities, especially for the shopkeepers. Shopkeepers, they import or they buy the things from the other places, so they are paying the tax. Service tax, service tax means collected from the shopkeeper and the service professionals. Toll tax, a tax for using certain bridges and the roads. Entertainment tax means they collect the taxes from the movie halls and the cable TV operators. and education tax, and the sometimes municipal corporation receive the grants from the state government. So these are the different sources of income. So this is about the municipal corporation, and about municipal council and the Nagar Panchayat I will explain in the next videos. Till then, you stay safe, keep safety, and you learn this glossary. You see the glossary, you learn glossary. Municipal corporation, a local governing body of cities with population more than 10 lakhs. Municipal council, the local governing bodies of cities with the population more than 20,000 and less than 10 lakhs. Nagar Panchayat, this is also the local governing bodies of areas that are changing from rural to urban and which have the population less than 20,000. Councillor, a member of municipal corporation or council elected by the people. Mayor, the presiding head of the municipal corporation. Commissioner, the chief executive of municipal corporation and council. Grassroots, at the local level, and the local body is a body that governs a village, town or city. So this is your homework. You learn glossary. Thank you. Have a nice day.